Welcome to Urban How To Do. Today I'll show you how to remove a ring that is stuck using dental floss and a safety pin. Take about 2.5 feet of floss. Line up the floss alongside of the ring. Using the safety pin, push the floss under and through the underside of the ring. Be careful not to poke yourself. Once you see the floss, pull the floss through so that you have about 6 inches on the wrist side and 2 feet on the finger side. Hold the 6-inch side under your thumb to keep in place. Wrap the first couple of wraps close to the ring. The more stuck the ring, the more wraps, and the closer the wraps are together, the better. Using a little bit of soap will also help. Wind the floss tight. At the end of the floss, create a loop and tuck the end under the loop to secure it. Grab the 6-inch end and pull it towards the fingertip, and slowly unwind the floss. You will see the ring slowly walk down the finger and eventually slide off. Thank you for watching this Urban How To Do video.